Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and I'm so glad you joined me today. I am kind of disappointed in the weather, though. I live in upstate New York, and yesterday it was 75 and sunny, and today it's back in the 30s. It's April 1st, April Fool's Day. It really wasn't spring. It's in the 30s, and then the weather report said it felt like 8 or something like that. I'm going to stay inside until I got to take the dog out, and I thought I would work on my Inchie book today. I want to make a background of pink and blue checkerboard, and I have a whole bunch of pretty pictures from calendars that I thought I would put on the page. Now, they are not obviously all going, in fact, most of them are not going to fit in a square, but that's okay, because there's no rule that says we have to fit all our pictures into a square. But I mean, how cute will that look? So anyway, I love this one. I'm going to maybe keep this or something else. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I won't. But there's a whole bunch of these beautiful large and small pictures. Butterflies. How cute are these little boots? I mean, really. Anyway, I got a turtle even. Let's how cute is he? He fits in a square. So anyway, I'm going to glue these down. I don't think you guys need to watch me glue them down, because you know what that looks like. So I'm going to glue them down off camera, and then we'll just figure out what our layout is going to be. So yeah, we'll be back in a sec. And the page will be all pink and blue. Alright, so I have my background down. There's a couple places where I just got a little bit too much glue, and this one I tried to wipe off and it started taking the color off the paper. So I definitely need to cover up some stuff. This one is cute, but I still have to cut this out for one thing. Let's see. Couple of things that I am going to still have to cut, I can see. Like here, if I put that there, I don't know. Let's see how the other smaller ones do. There's a little hummingbird. We've got a butterfly. Butterfly can cover that up. Here's the little turtle. Put him like that. I'm not restricting myself to this layout. I'm just playing around and seeing how it looks. We've got a little watering can. And we mustn't forget the boots. And we have a bird feeder. Another butterfly. I don't know, do we need the big stuff? Look at all the butterflies. I would like one, maybe big one, maybe in the middle. That's too big, I think, and I think the watering can was also too big. But we do have these. What if I put like one up here and one down here? Maybe that could be kind of like the theme, the birds and the balloons or whatever these things are. And then I can put these smaller ones all around it. Maybe that would work, or maybe I should use this. It's supposed to be like a scarecrow? I don't know. Maybe, I'm not sure about this one, but what I do need to do is finish like cutting out these white parts that I don't want to show up, because I want the background to be in the background. Alright, so let's just see how difficult this is going to be. I got a new blade, and I'm probably speeding this up. I may not cut out every little white part, like here. Okay, that should just pop out now. Oh no, I didn't get around the bird here. Okay. Is it spring yet where you live? What's the weather? Spent the Sunday with our daughter Bethany, and I took her back to her day program on Monday morning. That was yesterday. But before we went back, I took her to the park and Dollar General, and then she was happy. She likes to go shopping, but she never really wants to buy anything. It's funny. So sometimes I will buy stuff. She wanted to get a Coke yesterday, though, for her lunch. It's weird, but suddenly she likes Coke and coffee, which, you know, she never really did before, which is fine. I just don't want her to get too much of it, you know? So I think that's probably as much as I'm going to cut this part out. So that would be like that. Still have to cut this out. Hopefully my head is not getting in the camera. Okay, that's pretty good. And then just this now. I'm not sure I'm going to cut out all of the leaves. Let's see if I can do it. Well, the leaves aren't so hard. It's this little vine that's going to be hard. There's still going to be some white on it. Are you one of those that likes to have a border around your images for collaging? I'm not. I don't like the borders. But I've been wondering if maybe I should just try it. You know, go out of my comfort zone. I'm not going to do in between the bird's legs. No, no, no. And I think I just cut off his beak. These must be yellow warblers. Okay, I gotta get this here. And I think I'm gonna attempt it. There's gonna definitely be a border around the vine. I don't think that can be helped. Okay, so that could go here. Or could it? I don't know if it should. Are you seeing that? Yes, you are. Okay. Hopefully you were seeing me cut stuff out, because now I'm not sure. Like this still has a border around it, which I probably would leave. This would have to go from the top. The only thing I don't like is this. Something tells me that was not on camera. Oops. Gonna do this up closer, I guess. I did rip it a little bit. I think it will glue down just fine though. Uh-oh. Did it again. Although I think it was already ripped. That's probably as good as I'm going to get this one. That could go there. And then we could have this here. And then I think we'll skip this one. And this one. And then put the little things around it. What do you say? I do want to cut this out though. I keep finding more and more little pieces that need to be cut out. Okay, that's out. I think I can get this center part out and then right here out, but not in between his legs. This was such a cute calendar. I didn't actually ever use it as a calendar though. I just got it because of the pictures. I forgot to see that I cut the beak off the bird. Oh, I didn't. The beak is still there, if you can tell. I thought I cut it off. Okay, that is the best I'm going to get for my ability. So we're going to cover up some of this glue here with her skirt. So that's going to be perfect. And then we'll figure out these other pieces. That's obviously going to go right there. And then we'll just figure out how to fill in with these other smaller pieces. So let's get some of this junk out of the way. Oops, covered up my garbage can. Alright, got my gluing paper here. Got my Scotch glue, which I have found you got to be pretty quick with this glue. I mean, it's very good glue. I like it better than the Elmer's. However, it dries pretty quickly, so you don't have much wiggle room. So you need to get it placed in the right spot the first time, pretty much. Especially if you have delicate paper. Maybe not so much if your paper's sturdy, but like these are all going to be delicate because of all the little places that got cut out. So this is going to go right up to the top. There we go. Our first bigger image. Now we're going to put this bigger image down, and I'm going to have to be careful. Oh, maybe I did use it as a calendar. I don't remember ever using it as a calendar. Weird. But I guess I did. At least up until whatever day this was. Super careful. I also noticed that sometimes chunks of this glue come off when you're not really trying to get chunks of glue off. And this is the delicate part down here. And it sticks to your fingers really very well. So have a wipe, a baby wipe ready. Now we're just going to, I'm not worrying about getting this to the bottom like I wanted that one on the top. That's okay this way. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. I think it's cute. And I like my background. And we can call this a Twinchie because the backgrounds are Twinchies. I really do like this watering can too. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. It's a checkerboard Twinchie. And I'm trying to convince myself that spring really is right around the corner here. Last year we saw bluebirds on March 26th, and it's April 1st, and I have not seen a bluebird yet. I hope they come back. Hummingbirds won't be here until like June almost. We definitely want the boots, so I think of the boots. Boots on pink, maybe. I could do that. That's covering up the cute. Ooh, I think I'm going to do that right there in the middle. Make sure my gluing page is not glued on. Okay, so this is going to go right here. I've got 2 hummingbirds, a birdhouse, lots of butterflies, and a turtle. So, let's see which hummingbird I like better. That one is more colorful than this one, so I think we'll go with this one. And I guess we'll just go ahead and maybe move it over to the side a little bit, so I got more room here. Alright. I probably am just gluing off camera. Maybe not. But most of it will probably be off camera. I think that one was on camera. So I guess he's going here. The more colorful ones are usually the he's. So he's there. And our turtle, what about our birdhouse though? Where's he going to go? I think this is the only spot where it's going to fit, is right here. So we'll put the birdhouse there. I guess you can still see me gluing. Isn't that exciting? Alright. Okay, and now we just need to fill in with butterflies and the turtle. The turtle, maybe we could put the turtle right there. And let's figure out our butterflies. There's a butterfly. That's going there. I don't think I'm even going to bother with this little flower. That's probably going to go in the garbage, actually. Well, most of these butterflies are getting big. What about, I think I will put the turtle right here. Let's put that turtle down. That's making things kind of crowded down there, though. Well, let's go ahead, and I think we will put the butterfly that way. I think this glue stick is almost done. Butterfly is going right here. This is turning out cute, I think. I'm not sure where I want to put this turtle. Maybe nowhere. He does look okay there, though. I don't know. Ooh, maybe he could go right there. And we could put a smaller butterfly up here, maybe? I don't know. It feels a bit cramped. What do we put? This here. I think that looks better, actually. And we need something here. I just don't think the turtle is going to fit in here. And this seems very empty, but let's go ahead and put the other hummingbird down. I hear somebody doing laundry. Okay. Gonna put this like this. The wings are touching. That's cute. Okay, and now I just need to figure out something for here, but I feel like everything else is too crowded. I could cut, oops. I guess that wouldn't be too bad. I think that would look better. And I think that is going to be it. We could put some words on. I just ordered some more words. I have a bunch of magazine words cut out, but I don't think I want to root through them. So what I think I am going to do is see what I've got here. And after I've figured out what I want, I'll put them on and show you the finished collage. Alright, so this is my finished collage. As you see, I found lots of words to go with it. This one is "You Can Do Anything." Don't forget to fly. Use your wings. Live your life. A dream is a wish your heart makes. Be amazed. Always take the scenic route. Good things are going to happen. Make it happen. Make a wish. Find joy in the ordinary. And best day ever. So that's it for this collage. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And check out my Ko-fi page where there are some free vintage printables. And you can give me a tip if you want. You don't have to, though. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.